So after your today's maths class, now we are going to begin with our today's EVS class. Yes, so EVS is a very interesting subject in which we are gathering a lot of knowledge regarding our surroundings. We have learned so many things in EVS. Starting first, we have learned about ourselves, our family, our surroundings, neighbors, colors, shapes, fruits, vegetables. We have also learned a lot about festivals that are coming. Then what are the essential things that we need to live? That is air and water. So these are the two things that we need and how we can save them for us for futures. So can anyone tell me how we can save air? By not polluting it. How we can save water? By not wasting it, by not polluting it, and by planting more and more trees. अब ट्री प्लांट करने से एयर और वाटर दोनों कैसे सेव होंगे? So if you plant more trees, more greenery will be there, air will be fresh. हमारी एयर कितनी फ्रेश हो जाएगी? So we are saving our fresh air. And when we have fresh air, when we have cool atmosphere, rain भी बहुत अच्छी होगी. So this is how we can let water save for us. हम कितना सारा पानी, जब रेनफॉल रेगुलर होगा तो वाटर लेवल भी अच्छा रहेगा. We get fresh water, isn't it? So plant more trees and save your environment, save air and save water together. Okay, great. So class, today we are going to begin with a new topic, that is animals. So we have learnt about plants, we have learnt about many things. So it's time to begin with the topic animals. So there are a lot of animals you see around: cat, dog, then cow, then lot of other animals that we see. Now there are two categories of animals, two types of animals. One, those which can be there with human beings. Human community के पास रह सकते हैं because they don't harm us. And some are wild animals जो forest में रहते हैं, jungle में रहते हैं, like lion, tiger, cheetah, fox. So all these animals, they live in jungle. Why? Because अगर हम उन्हें घर में रखेंगे तो वो ही घर में होंगे. We will not be there in our homes. Yes, we can keep cat, we can keep dog, we can keep parrots, different birds we have that we can keep at home. Then many of us can many of us keep rabbits. So these are the animals that we can keep at home. So there are some farm animals also. This is what we are going to study today. Today we are going to learn about farm animals. Now if you remember, in the yesterday's poem class, in the yesterday's rhyme class, I have told you about a rhyme that is an old MacDonald. You have learned that rhyme in which we have learned what is a farm, what are farm animals, the sound they make, different farm animals. I told you what is a farm. So can anyone tell me what is a farm? A farm is a big piece of land, a place where the owner's house is there. वहाँ पे एक house होता है for the family to live. Then we have some space for cultivation, farming करने के लिए. Then we have some space for these animals जहाँ पे इनके homes होते हैं. See बेटा, we are human beings, not only us, but like human beings, animals also need home to live. अब dog है, ठीक है, we all try to keep a pet as we all keep dog as our pet. अब उसको क्या करते हैं, वो हमारे house में रहता है. But actually, do you know that dog has a separate house and what we call it? You don't know that? I'll tell you. So have you ever seen a fish? Fish कहाँ रहती है? Either in a fish bowl or in an aquarium. So वो उनका house है. अब हम अगर अपने घर पे फिश लाते हैं तो एक बोल में रखते हैं जिसमें वाटर फिल होता है. So that is called a fish bowl. Fish bowl कहते हैं उसको. और what you can say, अगर हमें बहुत सारी फिश रखनी होती है, so we have to buy a big tank and that is called an aquarium. Then if we talk about cats, they love to live in baskets. Then we have a home for hen, we have a home for cow. So all these different animals have homes to live in. And उनके हमारे घर को क्या कहते हैं? Home कहते हैं, house कहते हैं. But there is a name of these animals, homes. Isn't it? So first we are going to understand which are the different farm animals. Then we understand what are the homes they live in and what kind of food they prefer to eat. So this is what we are going to discuss today. Let's start. So in the farm animals, I told you there are a lot of animals, like we have duck. So yes, an old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. So the sound of duck is quack quack. And can you see there is a pond here? Ducks live in pond. Duck कहाँ रहती है? Pond में रहती है. What is a pond? एक छोटा सा वाटर एरिया, मतलब वाटर का एक छोटा सा पूल टाइप में होता है, पॉन्ड कहते हैं उसको, उसमें पानी भरा होता है and all these ducks they live there. Clear? So what duck eats? Duck love to eat small bits of food, छोटे छोटे bits होते हैं वो खा लेती है. Then they also love to eat small insects and worms. Next we have is a cat. Meow. On that farm we had some cats, E-I-E-I-O, with the meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. So cat says meow meow. And as I told you, these cats they love to live in baskets. अब बास्केट कहाँ होती है? घर के अंदर होती है. सो कैट का ना अलग से हाउस नहीं होता, वो हमारे ही घर में छोटी सी बास्केट में से घुस के छोटा सा फोल्ड बना के बॉल जैसा, और वो वहाँ सो जाता है. सो कैट दे लव टू लिव इन बास्केट्स, या फिर एक कोजी सा हम उसके लिए मैट्रेस बनवा लेते हैं एंड दे लव टू लिव ऑन दैट. सो व्हाट अ कैट लव्स टू ईट, कैन एनीवन टेल मी? कैट लव टू ड्रिंक लॉट ऑफ मिल्क. और वो किसको पकड़ के खाती है? यस, पोयम याद है? जो चूहे थे मोटे मोटे थे, बिल्ली मौसी ने कहा म्याऊ, तुझे खाओ ना मौसी ना. याद आ गया ना वो पोयम आपको? वेरी गुड. सो कैट दे लव टू ईट माउस, चूहों को खाती है. देन दे लव टू ड्रिंक मिल्क and whatever food we make they can eat that. So, chapati, or you can say cheese also. These cats they love to eat fish also. उनको fish बहुत अच्छी लगती है. Clear? Now next we have is a hen with a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. So hen कैसे आवाज करती है? Cluck cluck. And where does hen live? hen का जो house होता है ना, we call it a coop. What is the house of hens called? Coop. And what type of house it is? नीचे से पूरा covered होता है, but ऊपर we have some net on it, so that fresh air can go and come out. उसमें net होता है, नीचे there is a lot of grass spread, so that these hens they can lay egg on it. hen की वहाँ पे nest होती है उसी grass में, and they lay their eggs there. So hen क्या lay करती है? Egg. hen gives us egg ना, वो कैसे देती है? वो lay out करती है वो eggs को. And these hens they love to eat crops. You remember that little red hen poem, story? उसमें क्या था? उस hen ने कितनी मेहनत की थी. hens को grain खाना पसंद है. They love to eat chapati also. So you can give any food to these hens, but they don't like all this milk and all. वो नहीं देते हैं. So the best they love is grains, crops. उनको वो दाने पसंद में आते हैं. Like you can give corns, मकई के दाने. Then you can give barley. Then you can give wheat. So ये जो corns और crops होती हैं, उन्हें वो crops पसंद आते हैं. They love to eat those crops. Clear? Next we have is a cow. Wow! Moo, moo is the sound they make, and they live in shed. Sorry. कैसे बनता है वो? एक 4 walled एरिया होता है जिसमें ऊपर हम ग्रास से कवर कर देते हैं. ड्राई हेयर से या ग्रास से उसको कवर कर देते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ शेड. क्लियर? So whenever you get a time to visit any of the village, you will find lot of cows there and they all are assembled in shed. वहाँ पे वो shed में रहते हैं. Clear? So they love to eat grass, green grass. Then they love eat chapati also. वो चपाती भी खा लेते हैं. Then they live in shed. As I told you, उनके house को हम क्या कहते हैं? Shed. And these cows they love eating grass and chapatis. Understood everyone? Okay. Next we have is dog with the bow bow here and the bow bow there. So dog. Dog हम सब अपने house में भी रखते हैं. So we all know what kind of food dog like. Dog likes to lick the bones. Bones अच्छी लगती है उनको. Then they live in kennel. जो dog का house होता है, that is called a kennel. What we call it? A kennel. Understood? So dog house is known as kennel. They love eating bones. Bones के अलावा if you offer them milk, biscuit, chapati, they eat that also. But their favorite food is bone. Understood that? Okay. Now next we have on farms we find some birds also. So like hen, birds also like to eat crops and grains. Understood? Then anything else? Yeah, horse. Horse is an animal. I told you the sound they make is nee, nee, with the nee here and a nee there. So horse they also love to eat grass. उनको भी एकदम से green वाली grass पसंद होती है, जो बहुत soft होती है, juicy होती है. So they eat grass. Then they live in stable. जो horse का घर होता है, उसको हम कहते हैं stable. What we call it? A stable. And you know one fact about horse? When they sleep ना, वो खड़े खड़े सोते हैं. So the horse is standing on 4 legs, है ना? वो सोते भी ऐसे ही हैं, जैसे when we go for a sleep, we lie down. वो लेटते नहीं हैं. They stand and sleep. This is a fact I'm telling you about horses. Very interesting thing, isn't it? So let's move towards our today's work in the book. जब आप book में देखेंगे, you will find the pictures of animals and the pictures of their homes also. I'll explain you about their homes, how they look with the help of this book. Okay? So for what you have to do, open your book on page number 26. Clear? So I'll write here book page number 26 and 27. So class 26 is your classwork and 27 is your today's homework. Clear everyone? Open your book and let's see how we are going to do our today's work. So now let's see class how we are going to do work in book today. So in your book, what do you have to open? You have to open your book on page number 26. So when you will open your book on page number 26, you will find the topic farm animals. Clear? So the first topic we have is farm animals. I told you about different farm animals. Animals, they live on farm, houses they live in, what type of food they eat. So what we are going to do today, first we are going to write our date here. That is 29th October 2020. So this is our classwork. So we'll write CW here. What the question says? Paste stickers of farm animals. Now can you see? You have different farm animals here. So we have a dog, a cat, bird, hen, fish, cow. So what you have to do? You are going to paste stickers here. So from where we are going to get these stickers? You all know that from the end page. Yes. So we have this page here. We have a dog, cat, bird, hen, fish, cow. So what are these? These all are farm animals. What you'll do? You'll peel a sticker like this and we'll paste it here. So this is the dog, and on dog I'm going to paste the sticker of a dog. Done. Next we have is cat. So again what you'll do, you'll go back You'll take the sticker of a cat from here, like this, and what we'll do, we'll again open that page and we'll paste it here like this. Then we have a bird. So again, we'll take this bird. Then we have hen. I'll take this hen also. So now we have two with us. What we'll do first? First we have a bird. So we'll paste a bird like this. Clear? So first we have done this bird. Then we are going to paste this hen here. So the hen is also done. Then we have a fish and a cow. So what you'll do, you'll peel the stickers from there and you'll paste them here. Understood that, everyone? Okay, so complete this pasting work, and after that we have a next question. What that question says? Match the animals with their homes. So we have some animals here. Like we have a horse. We have a horse here. We have a dog, a fish, a hen and a cow. So there are some animals given, and here on the other side we have different homes. Fish bowl, stable, then we have a shed, then we have a kennel, we have a coop. So I have told you that different animals live in different homes. So what we have to do, we are going to match the animal with the homes they live in. For this work, what you are going to do, you are going to take your pencil colors. Is that clear to all? Now what we have to do next is, we are going to start a matching work. Okay. First we have is a horse. So for horse, now can anyone tell me where a horse live? A fish bowl, a stable, a shed, kennel or coop. So horse, they lives in stable. So what we'll do, we are going to match horse and stable together. Done. Next we have is dog. So can anyone tell me where a dog lives? Dog lives in kennel. Yes, so this is a kennel. Can you see that? So what we'll do, we'll match dog with kennel like this. Next we have is fish. So where a fish lives? Fish lives in fish bowl. So can you see this fish bowl as I told you? So we'll match this fish with the fish bowl like this. Understood that? Now, next we have is a hen. So I told you hen lives in a coop. So where is the coop? This is a coop here. So we'll match this hen with the coop like this. Last we have is a cow. So where a cow live? Cow lives in shed. So what we'll do? We'll match cow with shed like this. Is that clear to all of you? So this is how you are going to match animals with their homes, using different colors for each animal. Understood? Now moving to the next page is page number 27. So again we are going to first write the date, 29th October 2020, and homework here. So this is your today's homework. So what it says, match the pet animals with the food they like to eat. You can match more than one animal with the same food. तो एक ही एनिमल को सेम फूड को आप टू एनिमल से भी मैच कर सकते हो. क्लियर? सो हियर वी हैव अ डॉग, अ काउ, अ हॉर्स, hen, bird. So we have these animals here. Food we have is grass. So see, grass can be matched by horse and cow both. Chapati, milk, grain and bones. So these are the food items. What you have to do, again use your pencil colors. For example, if you are using green for cow, so cow को आप grass भी green से match करोगे, चपाती भी green से match करोगे. For horse, if you are using horse for black, तो horse को grass से black match करोगे. So grass is one with green, one with black. Understood how you are going to complete your today's work? Is that clear to everyone? So class, I hope you have understood your today's work, how you are going to complete that. So revise the poem. Now what do you all know? Sounds with the help of the poem. Houses, what we call their houses. Then the food they love to eat. Isn't it? So three things we have learned, that is the farm animals. Who are farm animals is also what we have learned. What type of sound they make. Different animals make different sounds. Different animals have houses and what we call them, and what type of food they love to eat. Isn't it? So you have to revise your topic. Keep revising the previous topics also. Complete your work and don't forget to share it me today itself. Clear? Bye for now.